Cool, I got you at the right moment. This is how solar rechargeable fan works, and this is the portable one you can place in your working environment on top of your table, and you will have to enjoy it like you are using AC. This fan is very portable that you can use it in your house, you can use it in your office, you can use it in your any workspace, and it serves very well. It has the ability to be recharged because it has lithium battery that makes it last very long. This fan cools like AC. You don't need air condition when you have this fan around you. All you need to do is to switch it on and turn it into use, and the fan will blow you like never before. I know this video got you at the right time. All you need to do is to keep watching our video as I unveil the secret of solar all the time. Thank you.